Hello guys, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Florenda Dialect, The Wonder Floor, and Adventure. Hello! Welcome to Singapore! Ito. Ayan, ito yung ano.
Ay, kanak.
Hindi. Ayan guys, punta na po kami sa Fort Canning. Alay lakad lang po ito.
Alay lakad.
Ano pangalan ng anak mo?
Pinaya Eunice.
Pinaya yun. Ang galing ah. Ganda ng pangalan. Ayan guys, oh, di ba? Ayan yung anak niya. Oh, si Eunice. Hello! Pang model. Si dalaga natin, oh. Mismong kada. Guys, kumuha po kami ng aming ticket.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just okay. Ayan na, pababa na kami guys. Oh yeah, I see. Thanks God, special trip sabi ko. Ayan, oh, di ba?
Nag-vlog din.
Hello! Dito ka din. Ayan, oh. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan yung Clarkway Central. Maganda na ngayon eh. Inayos kasi nila. Susunod. Ang model. Ayan, ay maganda rin. Wonderful.
Office, a town club, multiple government departments, and even a lighthouse. And if we were to go even further back in time, it was once a military base built in 1829 that went by the name of Fullerton Fort. In 2015,
Guys, malayon.
it was built to host large live performances, connecting its opening to the 3-week-long festival, which saw more than 1 million visitors.
1, 2,
Splendid na tayo, guys.
1, 2, and...
Surrender and the Declaration of Singapore's independence.
Di ba ganda na?
Popular venue for sports.
Ito na yung end namin. Yan. Ano, happy ka ba, Eunice? Yeah, ang ganda.